distillation, a method of separation. Fractional distillation is used to separate a mixture of two or more miscible liquids which have boiling point close to each other. Boiling point differ by less than 25 degrees Celsius. Fractional distillation consists one fractional column. Fractionating column provide more surfaces for heat exchanges and obstructions to the ascending vapor and descending liquids. After a series of successive distillation, the remaining liquid in the distillation flask gets richer in higher boiling components. Theoretical plates. Each successive condensation and vaporization is called theoretical plate. Importance of fractionating column. It provides many surfaces for heat exchange between the ascending vapors and descending condensed liquid. Application of fractional distillation to separate different fractions of crude oil in petroleum industry. Separation of gas from air. Introduction of parts involving fractional distillation. Round bottom flask. Expansion adapter. Fractionating column. Three-way adapter. Thermometer. Water condenser. Receiver adapter. Receiver flask on flask stand. Motor pump. Water boiling point 100 degrees Celsius. Difference of boiling point of two liquids is less than 25 degrees Celsius, so that fractional distillation is preferred. Silicon fusion. Applying silicon fusion on each component and at each joint to make the airtight joint. Heating device. Transfer mixture into the round bottom flask. Add china clay to prevent bumping of liquids. Arranging apparatus. Insert ice into the water. Switch on. This is fractional distillation. Round bottom flask consists mixture of alcohol and water. Between alcohol and water, alcohol is more volatile, so that vapor of alcohol form first. Thermometer showing temperature 40 degrees Celsius. Fractionating column. Water condenser working. Mixture is stored boiling. Vapor of ethanol and water both form and enter into the fractionating column. Due to expansion of vapor in bulb, vapor of higher boiling liquid condense and fall into the round bottom flask. Vapor of more volatile liquid become rich and collected in the receiver flask. By fractional distillation, we get 95% pure ethanol, because water and ethanol make azeotrophs. Azeotrophs are the solution which has same composition in liquid state as well as in vapor state. So that because of formation of azeotrophs in the receiver flask, 95% alcohol and 5% water will be present.